Have you ever been hugged? I mean, really hugged, like giving somebody a giant bear hug. I mean, maybe you were sad and they gave you a hug. Maybe you missed them and you hadn't seen them for a while and you gave them a hug. Either way, you opened up your arms and you either gave or received a hug. Now, here's my question. Have you ever hugged your mistakes? Yeah, I mean, really, like embraced your mistakes, opened up your arms and welcomed your mistakes. You see, that's powerful, embracing your mistakes. Think about it. How would that change you? How would that make you different? How would that change how you view the problems that you're going through if you weren't so combative to your mistakes? You see, I don't like mistakes. I want to hide them. I want to sweep them under the rug. I want to cast them into the shadows and let them melt away and just forget that I ever made them. But mistakes are powerful. You ask anybody, what has changed them more? It's not their successes, it's their failures. It's their mistakes. So, if that's the case, then why are we not hugging our failures, right? That's the question to consider. As you walk through these activities, as you walk through life, things that are hard, things that you fail in, can you see them as a good thing? Not as a thing to run from, but to lean into and to hug. That is embracing your mistakes, and that truly is an essential skill.